First you have to download the templates, the link will be in the description. We have a template from 1 to 10. Then we can head over to Premiere Pro to edit the templates. All the templates are in MOGRT file. First we have to create a new project, then give it a new name. You can give it any name of your choice and then just hit OK. And now to import the MOGRT file, you can either extract the folder or just import it like that, that's your own choice. Now create a new sequence. I'll be choosing the DSLR 1080p of 30 frame rate per second and then just click OK. Also this depends on your choice. And now import the MOGRT file. I won't be doing that again, because I had already done that. Editing MOGRT file is easy, just locate it, drag and drop it into your sequence. And click on Keep Existing Settings. And now to edit it, click on the MOGRT file. You can edit all the text, change color and do a lot more. I'll change this to TechWorld. And also change this to title. And lastly change this to classic. As you can see we have a nice text. We will also be changing the color. I'll just be trying out different color options. So I'll do that pretty fast. And we are done with the coloring. As you can see it looks pretty nice and good. So I'll just play back the video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get updated every time we upload a new video about templates, Windows 10 and technology. Till next time, stay creative.